Understanding, to be on the money, master English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. It's the idiom, to be on the money. This expression has nothing to do with cash in hand, but it's all about being accurate or exactly right. So, if you're curious to find out how and when to use this phrase, keep watching as we break it down for you. When someone says they are on the money, they're not talking about physically standing on a pile of cash. Instead, this idiom is used to describe a situation where someone is completely correct or precise about something. It can refer to making an accurate guess, having a correct intuition, or even doing something in the most effective way possible. Ever wondered where this phrase comes from? To be on the money likely originates from betting scenarios, where placing a bet on the money meant that your prediction was so accurate, you would win the bet. Over time, this expression transcended its gambling roots and became a popular way to acknowledge accuracy and correctness in general. Incorporating "to be on the money" into your daily English can add a layer of sophistication to your conversations. Here are some examples. In agreement, your analysis of the poem was on the money. It perfectly captures the author's intent. Praise for accuracy. Your prediction about the game's outcome was on the money. Acknowledging skill. This design is on the money. It's exactly what we needed for our project. English is rich with idioms that convey the idea of being correct or accurate. Some similar expressions include hit the nail on the head, to describe something very accurately. Right on the mark. Similar to being on the money, it means being exactly correct. Spot on, used to agree with someone or acknowledge the accuracy of a statement. Understanding these phrases can help you better grasp the nuances of English and express yourself more vividly. Thank you for watching our video on "to be on the money." We hope this exploration has not only been informative but also fun, helping you add another idiomatic expression to your English repertoire. Remember, idioms are a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to understand the culture behind the language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "to be on the money" when you're confident about your accuracy or correctness in any situation. See you in our next video.